everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm going to share with you guys how I DIY my very own Instagram rose flower bouquet. It was a very easy one and it's cheap, so I'm going to show you step by step how I achieved my very own rose flower bouquet. Start by spray painting the whole box all around it as well as inside. I'm down in my basement. I'm gonna try to do this. I've never spray paint anything before, so let's see how this goes. This is how it looks after it dried up. So what I'm going to do now is to put in the foam board inside it. I'm just going to measure like the size I'm going to use to put inside the box. Just going to measure because my forms are actually in blocks, so I'm going to measure that and put it inside.